what we're doing out here, we're validating our teams and our equipment in order to be prepared to support any unit anywhere to provide signal communications in support of uniform land operations. So we're trying to get those new soldiers that we have coming in here familiar with the equipment, and also to validate the signal equipment to make sure it works, and also to give them the opportunity to train.
Our actual distant end is going to be Bragg RHN. So when we shoot to them, they actually provide services from them, from their hub in that post itself. So from there, it actually goes to the satellite and then to Bragg, and then back and forth from our antennas.
This really gets a chance for us to get out here and test our equipment, to troubleshoot it. There was a lot of preparation leading up to this as far as preparing our systems and our equipment.
We try to provide them the most realistic training that we can, austere environment, strategic environment. So what we have here is kind of giving them that scenario on where they will deploy if they get the opportunity to.
During this FTX, we experienced some adverse weather, and a little adversity during training is always an excellent opportunity for my soldiers. High winds, rain came about, and they overcame, accomplished the mission.
I know that Alpha Company has blown it out of the water, and we brought up all of our systems within 3 or 4 days of being out here, and after that we were helping the other companies establish their confidence levels.
All this training that's taking place here at this battalion FTX is really setting the standard and the conditions for us to be successful in those future operations.